Hello YouTube world, Benny here. It's currently Monday the 12th of December 2022 at about 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. So I'm going to try to get some lighting here where I can get this more visible. You're looking at the bezel, for the dash area there. And here's the cluster. Sorry, I already have it apart. I originally thought I was going to have to take the whole damn dash apart just to change the illumination lamps on the back side. And a good ghost got me to look, and if you take a look, get the lighting better here because, oh, that's why. Hold on. There we go. That'll help. Now let me turn these off so I don't run my battery down. Okay, I guess I can put it over here. There you go. So there's one there and one there. That's the top of this plastic bezel. Let me get that stretched out there a little bit. Okay, that fits over just like that. Okay, and this whole, those two pieces are there. Those screws go right, let me see if I can get it there. One there, get my finger there, there it is. Okay, and here's the other one, so that's there. You have to also lower, it's got this column adjusting lever here. So you have to lower the column. And then you're going to have 1, 2, 3. So left, center, right for your cable connectors to attach the harness to it. And so you've got 2 screws, 1, 2 for the black bezel. And it will take a little bit of working to get it out, to get it over the column, to get the black piece out of there. So you just see up on top there's 2. Like I said, they go up into there, and that's just a standard Phillips, screwdriver, nothing fancy. And then the cluster itself has 3 screws in it. 1, 2, 3. So you do not have to take the whole dash apart. Like I said, there's a little bit of negotiating. You have to be, really take the screwdriver to press this, to depress this tange right here, so you can get that out. And you have to be pushing it down with the screwdriver to get it completely down, and then at the same time put pressure outward with the screwdriver. And be careful for all these older plastics; they're going to be potentially breakable. But these came out fine. It's still got a lot of flex left in there. This was the hardest one to get out. You can see that little tab. Even with the screwdriver, that was hard to get out of there. Again, you got to get the pressure down under for it to release, because it's up underneath there where it's on the end of it where it catches. And so you have to push it down with the screwdriver and at the same time be pushing back against the available connector area to get that out of there. So these two, that one, the left and the right came out. Oops, the left and the right came out relatively easy. They all have the same style of that release tab mechanism, and this one came out more difficultly. You start with this one, and then you go to this one, and then you can turn it to the side. The whole you can turn then the whole bezel on its side to get more access behind there, to get more access behind it while it's still in the position up here. So you get the left and the right out, and then you can turn the whole unit to its side, even back there, so you can get to that green, bigger harness a little bit easier. Okay, and then here on the back, it's 1, 2, 3, seems to be just 3 main illumination lamps. What I have to do is when it gets too dark, I have to turn on the lights on low just to be able to see the dash, so I know what my pace is. So hopefully now I'll be able to put these some fresh lamps in there. 1, 2, 3. I thought there was supposed to be 4, and maybe there is, but of the bigger size, that's 1, 2, 3 of them right there. Oops, oh my God, what's that? Where did I get moisture on there from? Shoot. I got some moisture on there. Don't want to get it wet. Oh my God. So I don't know, other than those 3, hopefully that will then take care of it where I don't have to turn on the lights, because when people see it flashing the lights, and some of them will complain that, oh, you must be flashing someone. They're like, just make up excuses everywhere to make problems. Anyhow, thank you so much for tuning in. Please like and support. Let me get this uploaded. Ciao, ciao.